Good evening friends. Now we are going to solve another problem from JEST 2022. The question is given as if theta and phi are respectively the polar and azimuthal angles on the unit sphere, then what is the average value of cos square theta and average value of sin square theta? So the options are given here. So we want to find the average value of these values. So let's see the solution. Okay, as we know the average value of any function, say x, the average value of any function on on anything on a system we can write like this. Where dv is the volume element, where dv is the volume element, and as it is given in this spherical coordinate theta and phi having this sphere, we have the volume element as r square sin theta d theta d phi dr, and the integral of this element will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, where this is the total volume of any sphere. So now we will find this integral as it is asked as cos square theta. The average value of cos square theta can be found out as, we can write like this, cos square theta r square sin theta d theta d phi dr over this dv element. That is this value will use it as in the later stage. Now let's find this value of cos square theta. Here is the volume, here is the volume integral. So volume integral means cos square theta, your sin theta d theta, then we will have r square dr, then we will have d phi, and the angles, the theta varies from 0 to pi and r varies from 0 to 1 because it is a unit sphere, and phi varies from 0 to 2 pi, and here is only 3 pi, the value would be 2 pi only, and this value will get r cube by 3. So we will have this value 2 pi r cube by 3, these two values. Now we have to find this one, that is 0 to pi cos square theta and sin theta d theta. So now put as it is a two integral, now using cos theta as t, will have minus sin theta d theta as dt. So using this integral would be 2 pi r cube by 3. It will give like minus t square dt, integration of minus t square dt. So this will give 2 pi r cube by 3 t cube by 3 with a minus sign. It is varies from 0 to pi. Now using t as cos theta, we will get this as 2 pi r cube by 3 minus, with a minus sign, you will take the minus sign outside, it will give cos cube theta. So here is another 3, so I have multiplied this 3, and the limit varies from 0 to pi. Now using pi, cos cube pi is minus 1 and cos theta is equal to minus 1. So I will have this one 2 pi r cube by 9 cos of minus pi, cos of pi minus cos of 0. So cos pi minus 1, cos 0 is also minus 1. So I will have this value with a minus sign here. It will give 4 pi r cube by 9. So the whole, this average value, this integral value came with how much? 4 pi r cube by 9. Now we will find, I will erase this one and use the value obtained. The value obtained will be, now I will put this average value. Average value, if I put this, so cos square theta, the average value, and we will use this integral value would come how much? 4 pi r cube by 9 divided by the whole integral, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So solving this 4 by 3, 4 by 3 it is cancelled out, and will 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. So the cos square value is 1 by 3, and we know sin square theta plus cos square theta as 1 implies sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. If we take the average value, I will get the average value, and it will come 2 by 3. So the average value of sin square theta will come 2 by 3, and the average value of cos square theta will come 1 by 3. Hence the correct option is this one. This one is the correct options. If you have any clarification, if you need any clarification, please comment on the box. Thank you.